Hi guys, Team TBSG here, and we have some more Super Smash Bros. 2, like usual. So, let's start. 1 second, getting everything prepared. Okay. Yeah, I might do Mega Man. I tried to record a video a little bit ago, and well, I guess it was a few days ago, but I lost all 5 games, so I would like to make another one and upload the better one. So let's start. I'm playing as Mega Man, Super Fighting Robot, and I know there's a lot of hype in Super Smash. Well, I guess maybe that's a little bit. That might be a little bit of a stretch. It was probably a little bit, maybe not now, but he was the hype at the beginning. He was a character that a lot of people liked, and so I'm gonna put. What? He's a tiny crouch. I thought I could crouch those missiles. Anyway, so I'm gonna play in the Super Smash Bros. 2. Oh god. Oh, what? See, I got hit by the missile and I couldn't use my recovery, so I died. That looks like it's a spiking move. Oh my gosh, I'm getting hit out of my recovery. Yeah, that's a pretty good down smash. Oh, I missed the up smash. Back! Okay, that's a good back there. With the drill. Okay, got the ledge. Alright, there we go. Forward smash. Whoosh! Oh crud, I hit the bomb. Oh crud! No! This is already looking bad.
This game's winner is Samus.
I honestly can't play Mega Man. Ah, jeez. Let's try every stage this time. We're playing as Tails. What the heck is he doing? Alright, well, I missed the first. Alright, I'm gonna switch to Blockman. He's pretty good. Oh, nice. Oh, he broke out of the pitfall really fast. Ooh, that's a good get at the cat. Oh, I missed a spike. I think it's a spike at least. Ooh, down smash. That could kill. Yep, he's good. Oh, we have an electrode. Well, explode on him. Ooh, I think it did explode. Oh crud! My shield's broken. Let me grab it. Okay, that's not the best, but that's not the best punish, but it's pretty good. Oh jeez. Okay. Oh shit! I need that. Okay, got that. Okay, that's good. Get that. Get out the health item. What's that? Oh, nice. Ow. That hurt. Back air. Good. Good. Ah. Okay, get up. Not. Get a forward. I think it's a forward throw at least. Ooh, is he dead? No. Recover! No. Darn it. There we go. Come on. Charizard, yes. I missed the border. Trainer? That's pretty good news, yeah. Oh, I forgot. I have my rock this thing. It's pretty good. I'm just gonna keep throwing it since it's working. Okay, back throw. That's a kill. Yes, it does. Ooh. Oh man, I'm not gonna have a home run that. Ow. Boom! I guess maybe that doesn't spike. That sucks if it doesn't. Okay, so. Oopsie, that's not what I meant to do. I meant to deflect that with shield there. Alright, there we go. This should be good. Nope, not yet. Oh! Oh, yep. He did spike me. That's what I was expecting. So now I'm losing. Actually, I'm winning still, but should be doing good. Okay, I want that. Yes, he should be dead. Anyway. Alright, we won again.
This game's winner is
Mega Man.
Mega Man.
Alright. Let's go. Here?
3, 2,
Alright, we're playing against Black Mage. Oh, missed. Wolf. Okay, that's oh, shoot. What does that do? I think it does extra damage to me. Hey, I want to show you something. So, if I can charge up my Mega Buster by start it up, and then I can fire at full power. This is really, it's like in the Smash 4. I missed the drill. Okay, I don't want that. But anyway, so in Smash 4 it's a forward smash, but this one is just I don't know what to say. Throw it at him! Boosh! Oh, I got the back air! Oh, but I killed myself. So I did it. Boosh! Oh, I missed. Down there. Oh my gosh, I'm getting bodied again. Okay, get up, attack. Oh, shoot. That did some damage. Oh, yes. Got the health. Boosh! Wait. What? I got the health. Oh, great. I don't want that. Boosh! I missed. No. No, we got the health. Charging. Oh, shoot. I think it doesn't have the star effect. Smash. Ow, 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 ow. Dash done. That should kill me. Yes, it does. So I might be looking at another loss. Who knows? There we go. Oh, I want that. Okay, throw it. Well, that was a dumb move. I don't know how I feel like that. He should be dead. Yes, he is. But I've taken some serious damage. So. Okay, missed the fourth match from the roll. Oh, he's tiny. This is my chance. Oh my, okay. No! No! Oh, I messed up. Ah!
This game's winner is Black Mage.
Darn it. Let me try that again. I'm playing with Kirby. And grab him, back throw. Does this spike? It looks like it does. I'd like to get the spike. No! Oh, he stole the leg from me. I was way too aggressive. Don't get. I'm losing by a whole straw. It's a pretty long range forward match. So let's stay. Charge my block. Throw that Pokeball. Charge. Ooh, this is a good one. Well, that's alright at least. Alright, I'm coming back. Roll. Miss. Missed the fourth man. Boosh! Fourth throw. Trying to get the spike. Ow. Okay, grab me. I think pecking is what it's called. When you get up on the ground and without the get up attack. need to start doing that. Oh! Oh, I don't know why. I need that. Yes! Thanks. Down smash. This is really good. It makes them taunt for extended periods of time and see it's just for kills. And it'll last a long time. Oh crap. Sorry about that. I don't want that. There's so many items. Ugh! I missed. There, get it back. Oh, up smash. Yeah, attacked it there, I think at least. Oh, crud. I'm getting comboed. What? What? No! I pressed up B and it didn't register. I guess we're gonna do 4-player mode. Yeah, the only stage I can win on, Bowser's Castle. Alright, we have Fox and Peach. Head up. Alright. And here's the figure. It's a cool fire move, the purple. Charge this. Charge. Oh, this is good. Boost. Ooh, wait, Fox. Oh, I got hit by that. Crud. Wait, where's my Pokeball? Oh, yeah. Ooh, Smash Ball. Smash Ball, I need that. I can't let Fox get this. I can't see. No, Peach got it. That's good and bad. Oh, it's different in Super Smash Bros. And in Brawl and other games. Because it really sucks in the other games. But everyone's at one stop, and Peach was almost floated to her death. So Fox is dead because of his invisibility frames. No, I got hit! Ah! I'm playing one more game. One stop. Let's go. Final destination. I'm going to just oh, it's a 3-player. No! I don't want to die right now. Just don't die. Okay, I'm not doing it. That's good. Okay, Mario's dead. So it's pretty much. Ah, good. None of that's good. Oh, I grabbed him. Gosh darn, I'm getting destroyed. Oh, I can't hear that. What tiny? This is really not good. But I won somehow. Alright, that's going to be it for today. So, Team PVC signing off. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.